So the last World Cup game was actually December 18, 2022 in Qatar. The next one starts today at 12 o'clock. When we start at 12, the game is at 2. You've heard us talk about that. So we're having a little fun outside with some dads, granddads, and some kids. This is Dale Gay, this is Keith Champagny, and Jaden, and Dale is the father of Madison, who will leave. Look, she take after her mother, because I look like he can do nothing. Grandpa, morning and welcome.
Yeah, man, morning.
Where is it, France?
France it is.
You can win today?
Yeah, man, definitely.
You sure?
Yeah, of course.
Ready for it?
Yeah.
Dale?
In it to win it.
Where is it? Spain?
Yeah, man, vamos.
Vamos.
Yes.
Are you ready for it?
Ready for it.
All right, go there and I will explain the game. You go there, you go there. So you will see the cones, and there's a straightforward run here, but they can't do that. That's Madison down there, and that's Jaden over there. They're going to be blindfolded, and the youngsters will bring them through, but they have to go in and out and in and out. They can't just walk through. You ready? Sure?
Yes.
You're on camera right now, you have to talk, you have mic. You ready? You going to win?
Yeah.
All right, you going to win, sir?
Yeah.
You sure? Number 10, France?
Yes.
What number you have? You don't have a number. You have number 10 too. You ready?
I'm gonna win.
Blindfold up, please.
So it was like upside here.
All right. Ready? After 3, you lead granddad and you lead dad right through. 1, 2, and 3. Let's
My
go.
right. Forward. Forward. My right. Right.
Well, daddy, granddad,
Right.
you just lick down a quote.
Right.
But go on, daddy. Go on, granddad.
Right. Stop. Forward. Left. 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 Oh my God!
Him touch on my
back,
ear.
left,
This is, oh my God.
Left. Don't stop. Slow. Left. Forward a little bit. Back. Back. Stop. Left. Left. Forward. 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 Back a little bit. Right. 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 Okay. Forward. Forward. Right. Forward. Forward. No.
Granddad, you're behind. You're way behind, granddad.
Right.
I'm getting confident in you.
Left.
Yeah. Well,
not
match
do
done.
any, like,
Match done.
No.
Match done. Come, granddad. Hurry up, granddad.
Can we continue? Left.
No, match done. He match up
Left.
everything. Sir,
Really?
Sir, he match up everything.
Really? No. Forward.
Madison said, really?
You're gonna knock down everything.
Madison said, really?
Right.
feel really so. No, go.
Granddad, and tomorrow morning before you done, you know. Let's go. Hey, that's granddad.
More.
3 minutes?
Right.
No, granddad, you're done. Time. Next two.
Hold on. There.
Here,
There's a different part, right?
granddad.
You just hit one while they hit two.
I think your grandson forget that you have on a blindfold. Because one time him depend. All right, so these are
You
Calvin
put me an extra $1,000
and
on
Kira.
my
Who's Calvin?
$1,000.
Calvin carrying Portugal. No, Calvin, England, but this is Portugal. Where is it? England or
Oh, me an extra $1,000 on the phone.
World Cup?
It's 4 years coming home.
How are you, sir?
Germany, man.
Germany. All right, line up again. We don't have a lot of time. Let's go, son.
But you know my voice.
So Calvin is with Malachi and Kieran is with Khalil.
I told you to go
Let's
slow
go.
before, so you should have didn't listen. We're going too slow.
Madison Ball out and say, all right, blindfold up.
I hope you're sure.
And after 3, we go.
4.
1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Forward. Forward a little bit more. Forward. Forward. Left. Wait. Forward a little bit more. Left. And left. Stop. Forward.
Calvin, not tomorrow
Left.
before you reach.
Forward.
Well, daddy, you're done. You just sit down, son.
You could make that. Forward.
Come, Calvin.
Forward. Right. Okay, let me study. Right. Okay. Stop. Forward a little bit. Right. Right.
And tomorrow before this done.
Yeah.
Stop. Right.
So,
Right.
forward.
Right.
Boom.
Forward.
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 Okay, I got it.
Forward.
Come on,
No. Forward.
Why didn't I?
Right.
I'm going to tell you this. Go
Forward. Forward.
Then left.
Forward. Quick. Forward. Forward.
Forward.
Stay steady.
Right.
Forward. Move to the right, a
Right.
little bit.
And then back. Boom, boom.
Right.
Think I got
Forward.
this.
Forward. Right. Right. Forward. Forward. Right. Forward. Left. Stop. Go forward a little bit. Forward. Right. Back a little bit.
But we that time I didn't know.
Left.
Much
Left,
as supposed
left.
to done for
Left,
yesterday.
left.
Come
Forward.
England.
Forward.
Come
Forward.
England. Come
Forward.
England.
Right. Right. Back a little bit. No. Right. Right. Forward. The goal is in front of you. So just place the ball. Yes.
We miss. Everybody come. Everybody come. Everybody come. Everybody come. Everybody come in. Everybody come in. Let's go.
Very good shot. Look very
My man says a good shot. It look very English. Turn this way so that everybody can see. Turn this way. Turn this way. Come in. Bring the ball and come. Congrats, guys. Portugal won. Here's the trophy for Portugal right here. When him says England, him a carry, not Portugal, even though I missed the goal.
The communication from Portugal. Yes.
There you go. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations. Well, that's it for the show, guys. Thanks for coming. Give him a round of applause.
We win this one now.
And the only thing England ever win. And the only thing England ever
Son
win.
coming home.
No, France in my man. France.
You were my co-worker a few days ago.
France in my man. All right. Portugal.
Goal.
So, oh, you're coming at that?
You know my grandmother watches. My grandmother watches the show.
Your grandmother watches show.
So, you know what you show
They
them?
are high for us.
Yes.
This is nice. Congrats again. Folks, we remind you, 12 o'clock today, we start in studio. The game is at 2 o'clock. Mexico up against South Africa in Mexico. World Cup starts today. As I said, the last World Cup game was December 18, 2022, so less than 4 years. And she says they're going to win. He says they're going to win. He said they're going to win. Them not going. Man said the only thing them win are the something. All right, folks. Join us for tomorrow. Enough things happening on the show tomorrow. What's going on the show